Some news just coming in. Modi cabinet slams Indira's emergency. Sources say the cabinet resolution on emergency has been passed, condemning murder of democracy by Indira Gandhi. The cabinet has paid tribute to those slain in emergency. 2 minutes of silence was also observed. 50 years on, Indira's atrocities in sharp focus. हिमांशु मिश्रा has more on that. हिमांशु, इस समय 50 साल इमरजेंसी हम मार्क कर रहे हैं. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और सरकार कई तरीके से इस इशू को टच अपॉन कर रहे हैं. कांग्रेस हाल फिलहाल नाराज है क्योंकि ये मैटर रेज किया गया है दोबारा, और उल्टा प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी के खुद के रूल को ये कह रही है कि 11 साल की इमरजेंसी हो गई है. ये बैक एंड फोर्थ और ये फेस ऑफ कंटिन्यू है.
देखिए, बिल्कुल इस चीज को कांग्रेस बहुत भली बात ही जानती है कि इमरजेंसी जो लगाई थी वो देश के अंदर एक तरीके से लोकतंत्र को जो है वो कैद करने की प्रक्रिया थी, और इसीलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस मुद्दे को जरूर हर समय उठाती है. जब भी कांग्रेस की तरफ से ये कहा जाता है कि लोकतंत्र खत्म कर रही है भारतीय जनता पार्टी, लोकतांत्रिक इंस्टीट्यूशन खत्म कर रही है, और इसी सिलसिले में आज कैबिनेट के अंदर जब बैठक हुई तो कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरी की तरफ से जो है वो इमरजेंसी के खिलाफ एक प्रस्ताव लाया गया, जिसको खुद प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने प्रस्ताव को पढ़ा, और फिर इमरजेंसी के दौरान जो लोग जिन लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है उन सब के लिए श्रद्धांजलि एक सभा मौन व्रत भी जो है वो रखा गया. तो एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो पूरी सरकार और भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस बात को लेकर जो है वो सड़कों पर उतरी है कि जो संविधान हत्या दिवस के रूप में मना रहे हैं.
Getting us those details on the cabinet resolution that has been passed condemning the murder of democracy by Indira is what we are learning.
Federalism was undermined and fundamental rights, human liberty and dignity were suspended. The Union Cabinet reaffirmed that the people of India continue to repose unflinching faith in the Indian Constitution and the resilience of the country's democratic ethos. It is as important for the young as it is for the old to draw inspiration from those who resisted dictatorial tendencies and stood firm to defend our Constitution and its democratic fabric. India, as the mother of democracy, stands as an example of preserving, protecting, and safeguarding constitutional values. Let us, as a nation, renew our resolve to uphold our Constitution and its democratic and federal spirit. ये रेजोल्यूशन आज भारत के कैबिनेट में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की अध्यक्षता में रखा गया कैबिनेट में, और आपके साथ इसका टेक्स्ट शेयर करेंगे. मैं साथियों उसके बाद में कैबिनेट में जो फैसले लिए गए उस पर आता हूं. आज 3 बड़े फैसले लिए गए. सबसे पहले पुणे मेट्रो का एक्सटेंशन 3626 करोड़ रुपीस के एक्सटेंशन से पुणे मेट्रो लाइन 2. सेकेंड, झारिया एक बहुत पुराना प्रॉब्लमेटिक इश्यू है, वहाँ पर जो अंडरग्राउंड फायर और लैंड के सबसिस्टेंस के कारण जो दिक्कत आती है, उसका एक रिवाइज्ड मास्टर प्लान आज.
All right, in fact it's a stage really that has been set for a big face off because there's a resolution. Now essentially political rhetoric is on one hand, but a cabinet passing a resolution essentially adding weight to the charges that have been made by the ruling government against the principal opposition party, and particularly against the Indira Gandhi government. They have in fact spoken about the fact that there were atrocities, and hence a resolution, a cabinet resolution to that effect has been passed, slamming the time when there was emergency in the country and that people were at the receiving end when rights and basic human rights were suspended. You heard in fact from Minister Ashwini Vaishnav there detailing on this resolution. It's a cabinet resolution that has been passed on emergency. In the past we've seen in fact the BJP ruled central government on several occasions raised this matter, particularly on the day the country marks the time when emergency was imposed in India on the 50th year of emergency being declared in India. You've heard in fact from the government that has passed a formal resolution to this effect. talking about the atrocities and about the fact that basic freedoms were suspended during that time, hitting out at the then Indira Gandhi government. 2 minutes of silence also was observed during the meeting. The cabinet condemned the murder of democracy by the then Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. During the imposition of emergency is what the BJP has now raised again on the 50th year of us marking the 50th year that the country saw as emergency imposed. The Modi government passing a resolution hitting out at the previous Indira Gandhi administration and the government. It's a key cabinet resolution on emergency. The politics on this continues. We've seen political rhetoric in the past as well on emergency. Now, on the other hand, we've heard from the Congress that are in fact saying that 11 years of Modi, 11 years of emergency in the Modi era is what the Congress is saying, defending the situation and also saying that what you are doing is putting the country in an emergency mode. That's the Congress attacking the government, and the government's resolution is a cabinet resolution slamming the period when emergency was imposed and also hitting out at the then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi.